Hi guys, back to me again. So today I'm already washed my face and I wanted to tell you about how to make an egg white coffee mask. So exciting, let's start it. Let's start it. So guys, this is the ingredients of how to make an egg white coffee mask. There is egg white that have been separated from the yellow, and 1 tablespoon of honey. This is the honey, yeah. And then this is 3 teaspoons of coffee. After the ingredient, let's make it the mask. Add the coffee again. And mix well. And the last one is the honey. Put the honey into it and swirl again. This is the result. So guys, it's finished and I will wear the mask to my face. So guys, after I read this from the internet, this mask is very good for your skin, and it will make your skin more moist, supple, and will make our skin so soft. Especially like your teenager is very need the name of mask. Just trust me, loving. God, I'm so shy. It was my first and malu. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it was not like my expectation. Hi, back to me again. No. So guys, first take an egg white and then So guys, first take an egg white, then take the coffee like this. To that, mix well.